The fourth one. These are the big one. Mama used to tell me, say, and not just me, but all of us, say, Pitney, drop out a helicopter and play. Hey guys, what's up? I was in my bed, just take a shower, about to go to sleep, and you know, I have some flashback about my grandmother, and I'm gonna tell you 5 things I will never forget what my grandmother said to me. I will never, and I was cracking up. I was in the bed about to go to sleep, and I'm like, I have to do a video on this one, because sometimes on Sunday when I'm doing the Digicel giveaway, because I do Digicel and Flow credit giveaway, $1,000. So sometimes I will ask anyone on the live, a question maybe from one of my video. So let's see. I said I have to do a video about this because I was laughing myself to sleep, and I said I'm gonna get up and do a video on this. So 5 things my grandmother said to me that I will never forget. 1, my grandmother used to say to me, you are red-kin girl and you need them so black. I am laughing now because back then I used to cry. Like when my grandmother actually said to me, you are red-kin girl, you're not beard good. You're not beard good. Look how you need them black for red-kin girl. Everywhere else, for me, red, you know, brown, you know, but me need them black. Like, every day, my grandmother with coconut brush, and that is the reason why my knee used to be black. You are red-kin girl, you're not beard good, and look how you need them black. So that I won. That I was cracking up a while ago when we remember, oh, mama used to say that to me. 2, when we go spring, like when we go in spring, me and my auntie them and, you know, my sister used to go to spring and catch water. So mama used to praise me and said, you're strong, man, you're strong. You can carry that big bucket here. And me, with my full self, pick up the biggest bucket and I strain with it to come up and fully because I want my grandmother to praise me. The 3rd thing, I can never forget this. Mama used to tell me, say, me wash plate. You know how much I will live? 1 whole heap away. Mama used to tell me, say, me wash plate the best. And me wash plate the best, and she prefer when me wash plate. That time I the youngest one, you know. Me the littlest one out of all away. And I me wash plate the best. So me I laughed myself to scan a while ago because mama used to praise me because she want me for work. And me find it really hilarious. Me say me in the bed a while ago, I laugh myself to scan. Alright, the next thing, the next one is when me go shop, when she want me to go a shop, she will say, send Dana go a shop because Dana come back quicker. So because of that, me go shop the Moors. And me go shop. me go shop the Moors because she used to tell me, say, me must go because me come back quicker. Me run and me no idle. The rest of them idle. That time me no know, say, mama use me, you know. Me just excited and I run up and down and I run go everywhere where she say and I never have a sense. Okay. Alright, so that was what? The 3rd one? The 4th one or the 3rd one? Me mix up now. Me get them mix up. Me don't remember. But mama used to tell me, say, I think that was the 3rd one. So this is the 4th one. These are the big one. Mama used to tell me, say, and not just me, but all of us, say, Pitney, drop out a helicopter and plane. And I dead serious. It's no joke. This is not no joke. Me a dead with laughing at the bed a while ago. But I have to be serious now because me don't want to think say a joke me I make. This is extremely extreme.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Me say, me in my bed a while ago and me a dead with laugh. You me tell you? Because me I remember some things that mama used to say to me. When mama want me to feed the cow them, she tell me, oh, me can't go, me must go cut, make me all I got lick up it, you know, me and lick maybe in a me 10, 11, 12 years old. And, you know, mama used to say, carry the cow them, go and a gully go give them water. And this is how mama used to do me. And me now realize that mama use me now realize that mama use me. And now me I remember them now, and I remember the things that when she used to say to me, if you bribe me, if you do the things them. Me there so in the bed and I can't help myself, but me just a laugh. Me I remember first, the first one I remember is that she tell me, oh, Pitney is like my auntie, my oldest auntie when she have her child, cause she was the first one who bring a baby home. You know, because how much I we did live, let me see. Me and my grandmother, my grandfather, my three auntie, my sister, and four uncle. Until, you know, so them get big, the older one them tend to leave, and then leave the smaller one them, you know, with mama. But when my older auntie bring in the first baby, and we are wonder where the hell Pitney come from, newborn baby, and we don't even know say she was pregnant, because we see her belly big, but we think her fat, she fat. So when we are asked now, we see the baby come now, you know, and we are asked where the baby come from. Mama say baby jump out a helicopter. One another thing when me never forget, I remember mama used to say, don't let no boy touch you. We don't know what that mean, you know. Just not make no boy touch you. She said that to us. She not tell me nothing about how two people can get pregnant. But I didn't laugh, but we find it hilarious right now. I'm lay down in my bed and me I laugh about it and I say, I have to go do a video. And me I go ask question here upon this next week, Sunday guys. So no better watch a video because this is really funny. So let me see if I can come up with number 5. When me da river with mama and wash. I mean all of we wash. But you know, sometimes me I wash extra because me want mama to praise me. And mama always say, come here Dana, come here Dana. You know, wash this. But me I do it because me love the praise. You know, she used to praise me. I know me I look back at me and say, but wait, I really use mama that I use mama that use me, you know. But me just never understand and know say mama praise me because she want me to keep doing. But the good thing about it, I've never frowns on my grandparents. And yes, sometimes me feel like me was pressure, but me would have cry, you know, because me feel pressure, especially when me have to walk, carry food, go give my grandfather about 2 hours bush, and I have to come back and go back up there. That me used to ball about. But I'm telling you, when we carry water and you know say everybody I go water, me take up the biggest pan because mama say me can't carry it, and me you take up the time me had the lickly so you know.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I don't know how me head tap the peel out. And me I like to make catafuno. Guys, I'm gonna make a catafuno. Okay, so this is one of my shirt, right? So I'm gonna make a catafuno when me used to carry water on my head. If anybody used to do this, I'm gonna put it in the comment section below. How do you make a kata for put on your head? So me used to make the kata like say, this is my blouse, right? So this is one of my blouse. So I'm gonna show you how I used to make kata. So I come so and come so. Okay, so I have to kind of stretch it out a little bit because I want if you can't able to wrap proper. So you come so and make a kata to put on your head. And you come so. Kaka fene. And you come so. And you just put it in so. Like a kata. And this is how you make kata. So a kata we call it. I don't know what to call it. But we call it kata. So you put the kata on your head so. And you go down a river with your, or you down a spring with your big old pan of water and put it on your head. And carry it on your head. And come up, come make mama praise you. And say, yes, strong girl, good job, strong girl. Mama used to say, Penny jump out the helicopter and plane. Ridiculous. You think because I said, I lay down in the bed a while ago and me I dead with laugh. And I said, I have to come do a video on these 5 things where mama, maybe I don't remember some, but if I remember, I will do a number 2 video, but 5 things mama tell me that I will never forget. I said, I'm going to title the video that 5 things mama tell me that I will never forget. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like the video, please. Don't like the video because me I share things we don't know, so we enjoy. Okay, so don't like the video. If you don't enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up and leave it in the comment section so them want to think about the video. So I can give you no more. I have a lot of funny thoughts, you know, a lot of funny video, you know. I'm going to share with them eventually, but it takes time. I'm breaking out the routine, you know. But enjoy this video, guys. Adios, bye. Go on my bed.